so you can see. I'm just not gonna open them right now, but I really recommend getting that because it's so good. I really haven't been talking about this whole video because I wasn't planning on talking, but I guess I'll do it for the rest. This is a blue, like, squishy lizard, and he's stretchy. This unicorn's mushy, but his horn is torn. It's kind of dirty. This is some more Play-Doh. It's a popsicle, so I'm not even gonna bother opening it, but that's what it looks like, and it's got little things on it. Oh my gosh. Struggle. This is a DIY one, but it's basically dishwashing liquid, and it's pretty cute. I rate this a 10 out of 10. It's so good. I got this at Lambert's when I went on vacation to Alabama. It's really nice. This is the quiet side. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. That side. And it's got a whole tricky chain. 2 fidget spinners. This one was at CVS, and this one was in the mall. I can't spin it with one hand. Well, and this one. Quieter. Simple Tipple I got at Alvin's Island. And it's a fidget spinner too. Cat Squishy. This is from Amazon too. This, you can find the collection in Claire's, but I'm not sure where you can actually. Probably on the Pushing website. This was at a certain museum. I don't like it though. This is a duck smushy machine. I found these at Target, by the way. I found this at Walmart. It's a little caterpillar or centipede or whatever. And that is all. So, bye. Comment down below if you want fidget trading and fidget